Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up marketing segmentation in Klaviyo, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Lists and Segments tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create List/Segment button. Choose Segment from the options presented. Name your segment based on the criteria you plan to use. Now, click on the Define Segment button. Select the filter you want to base your segmentation on. For example, choose what someone has done to filter by their activity. Next, choose a specific activity such as opened email. Add any additional filters to refine your segment further. You can also use demographic data like city or sign-up date for segmentation. Once your criteria are set, click on the Preview Segment button. Review the contacts that fit your criteria. If you're satisfied, click Create Segment to finalize. Your new segment will now appear in your lists and segments over. To use this segment in your campaigns, create a new campaign or flow. In the audience selection step, choose your newly created segment. Develop your campaign content as needed. Schedule or send your campaign to your targeted audience. Regularly review and update your segments for optimal performance. This will ensure your marketing efforts are targeted and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.